How to track order on Shop app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can track order on Shop app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Shop app. After you open up your Shop app, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, if you want to track your order, what you can do is you can first simply connect your email and Shop will automatically track deliveries on your future orders as it says on the top. But if you don't want to connect your email and not receive mail about each and every update, what you can do is head over to this bottom right option on the bottom tab. Tap on add a package manual, and here now you can choose, write the tracking number of your order and the package name and a carrier. After you've done that, you can then start tracking the order of that very product. And yeah, that's basically how you track order on Shop app. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.